Hello everyone. We are back with one of the question again from NJSLA Algebra 1 release items. So you can pause the video and you can just check the question first. So here in this question, there is a quadratic function is given. Y is equal to x squared plus bx plus 9. And then it says that the quadratic function, when y is equal to 0, it's becoming a quadratic equation. So this quadratic equation may have one real root, two unique rational roots, and two unique non-rational real roots, or no real roots. So according to B is an arbitrary just number, means changing, and you can choose your B. But in this question, B has been already just indicated for you, and B has been given to you. B is -7, B is 0, B is 6, and B is 10. Okay. In these four cases, I will check. This quadratic equation will have what? How many roots? Okay. So let me write the quadratic equation first. X squared plus bx plus 9 is equal to 0. Since it is mentioned here when y is equal to 0, means y will be replaced by 0. Okay. So this type of question, we can replace them, we can solve it, but I think just like applying quadratic equation, applying quadratic formula, will be easy for you to understand it. Let's write the quadratic formula first. Negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is our quadratic formula. Actually, nature of the roots will be defined. What is under square root here? Okay, b squared minus 4ac. We call it discriminant. When discriminant is most probably your classroom teacher taught this. Let me write here. When b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, and b squared minus 4ac bigger than 0. If b squared minus 4ac is bigger than 0, we have two real roots, okay? Two real roots. Two real roots, because two different numbers will come out, and I will show you eventually. If b squared minus 4ac is 0, this will be cancelled out, so negative b over 2a, only one real root will come out. If b squared minus 4 is less than 0, if it is negative b squared minus 4, square root of negative things, okay? Square root of negative things, not real, okay? Not real. Even if you just try with your calculator, square root of negative number, your calculator will say that there is no real solution. So, no real solution, okay? So, according to b squared minus 4ac, the nature of the roots will be different. Okay, this is a kind of introduction. Let's get started. So when b is -7, okay, when b is -7, what's going on? Let's do it. If b is -7, b squared minus 4ac, I want to calculate it. Okay, b is -7 whole square minus 4 times 1 times 9. In this quadratic equation, a is 1, b is as b, c is 9. Okay, you know that. A is 1, C is 9. So, what is B square? -7 square 49 minus 4 times 1 times 9. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. Okay? So, we got 13. 13 is a positive number. It means that we have roots. Let's write this quadratic formula again. Negative B, 7 plus minus square root of 13 divided by 2a is 2. So, we have two roots here. What are those? 7 plus square root of 13 divided by 2, and 7 minus square root of 13 divided by 2. We have two unique, two distinct, means they are different from each other, roots. But are they real roots? Definitely they are real roots, but are they rational or irrational roots? So since square root of 13, square root of 13 is irrational number, okay? Not a rational number, or we can say it non-rational. So we have two unique non-rational roots, two unique non-rational roots when b is -7. It is not one root case or two unique rational root case, no real root case, no. So two unique rational roots, okay? When b is 0, when b is 0, let's calculate b square minus 4ac again. B square minus 4ac is what? B square 0 square minus 4 times 1 times 9, which is negative 36. Now negative 36 less than 0. If I write the quadratic formula, x is equal to negative b means 0 plus minus square root of negative 36 divided by 2. From here we get two roots. One of them is plus square root of negative 36 divided by 2. Other is minus square root of negative 36 divided by 2. I don't want to discuss what is negative square root of 36 because it is we will discuss this in when we study complex numbers. Since we don't study complex number, here we have no real roots. Two distinct no real roots we have. No real root cases here in this option, okay? They are not real roots because when I told here again at the start of the video, if there is a negative number inside of the square root, we have no real roots. The third case, let me write the third case here. In third case, b is 6, okay? B is 6. Let's calculate b square minus 4ac, which is 36 minus 4 times 1 times 9, which is also 36, okay? 36 minus 36, which is 0. So when we have 0, negative b means negative 6, plus minus square root of 0 divided by 2. So square root of 0 you cancel out, plus minus doesn't affect. So we have only this value, negative 6 over 2, which is negative 3. We have here, as you see, one real root. As we mentioned here, when b square minus 4ac is 0, we have one real root. In case b is equal to 6, there is one real root. So we need to check this, okay? When b is 10, there is no space here. Let me try to solve here, okay? Fourth case, when b is 10, so b square minus 4ac, okay? B square minus 4ac, I need to check it. So 10 square minus 4 times 1 times 9, which is 36, okay? 10 square is 100, minus 36, it is 64. Now we have roots, negative 10 plus minus square root of 64 divided by 2. Here, negative 10 plus minus square root of 64 is a perfect square, so it comes outside as 8 divided by 2. Now, negative 10, negative 8 divided by 2. One of the root is negative 9. Negative 10 plus 8, which is negative 2 divided by 2. Other root is negative 1. So we have two distinct rational roots, okay? Two distinct rational roots. This case we have, okay? So these four cases we already analyzed. This question has part B also. You can just check part B as well. So what it says in part B, this quadratic function, okay, this quadratic graph has vertex 1, comma 8. So what is the value of B? What is the value of B for that? So since vertex is on the function, we can plug this 1 and 8 point in the function y is equal to x square plus bx plus 9, which means that x is 1, okay, 8 is y. We can plug in, or we can write this function in a vertex form, and you can try by that way also, or x value is here 1, okay, means x coordinate of the vertex is 1. You can also use this formula, negative b over 2a is the axis of symmetry, which is 1. So from there, negative b over 2 is equal to 1, negative b is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 2. From here you can also find it, or as I told you, in place of x square plus bx plus 9, 1 and 8, you plug in 8 here, 1 here, b times 1 here, 1 square and plus 9. So from here also you can find, okay, 8 is equal to 1 plus b plus 9, which is 8 is equal to b plus 10. From both sides, if you subtract negative 10, If subtract 10, b is equal to what? B is equal to, again, -2. Okay? B is equal to -2. So for b is equal to -2, your quadratic function will have a vertex 1, 8. Okay? So this question can be solved in this way. There are several ways of solving this question also. You can Google it, you can search it, and you try to expand your knowledge. And as long as you solve several ways, you understand this chapter better, definitely. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.